Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving another one of my dream cars, guys. This is the Lamborghini Urus Performante 2023. This thing is an absolute beast, guys, and I cannot believe that I'm driving this car. This thing is insane, guys. Check that out. Everything is full Alcantara. There's literally no piece of leather in this thing. It's all carbon Alcantara, orange stitching, and right now we're gonna go photo shoot this car. This thing is absolutely insane, guys. I'm literally driving my dream car. As you guys know, another one of my dream cars that I filmed a vlog, I actually did a vlog with, was the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. So SVJ and Lamborghini Urus, my two ultimate dream cars. I don't want anything else. I don't need anything else. Those are the only two cars I need in my life. So if you guys don't know, Performante is like the top of the line model you can get from Lamborghini. So if you guys didn't know, there's like the Lamborghini Huracan Performante, and now they made the Lamborghini Urus Performante. So this is the top of the line Performante you can get right now. And I believe this car MSRP is around 330 maybe, I think. But I know I've seen some going for like $400,000, guys. Would you guys pay $400,000 for this SUV? If I had the money, I definitely would in a heartbeat. I definitely would. No questions asked. Take my money. This thing is insane. It's got an upgraded exhaust by Akrapovic. I think I said it right. Akrapovic. But oh my gosh, dude. Dude, the shifts in this thing are insane. Only thing I don't understand about Lamborghini is they did like orange seatbelts, orange stitching, brake calipers, but why? Why not this? I don't get it. They did it in red. They should have done it in orange. It would have been sick. Oh my gosh, this thing is so sick. Guys, you guys have no idea how bad I'm fangirling right now. It's literally insane. I'll show you guys the exterior of this car right now. Oh my gosh, dude. Damn, this thing is insane. We have it in Corsa. As you can see, you can switch up the modes to Strada, Sport, Corsa, and Rally. I don't even know what Rally is. I guess you're gonna rally with this car. Anyways, guys, how do we look in a Urus Perf? I think I need one of these, guys, for the channel. I told myself I wouldn't buy myself another two-door car unless it was the Aventador SVJ. I wouldn't buy myself another two-door car. I told myself that. So that's why I'm kind of leaning towards like an SUV, like a super, like a sporty SUV. And that's why I think the Urus is like the perfect car, because it's a Lamborghini and it's an SUV at the same time. So this is the exterior of the car. It's orange. It's got carbon hood vents, carbon hood. It's got some carbon down there. Got carbon all on the fenders. Look at these massive brake calipers, guys. And then as you come to the top, this one has the carbon roof. And then as you come to the back, got the carbon spoiler, carbon diffuser with the Akrapovic exhaust. This thing is insane, guys. Oh my gosh, dude. It's such a crazy car. Look at that. Damn, that thing looks fire. So sad, guys. Driving your dream car and then knowing that you can't get it, you know, at the moment, can't afford it, it sucks. It's like you're teasing yourself almost. But yeah, this thing is crazy. When you come to the back, full Alcantara back seats, all Alcantara up here, Lamborghini logo, Urus, so you can see full Alcantara. There's literally not one piece of leather in this car. It's crazy. Check that out, guys. Insane. Anyways, I'm gonna shoot a couple photos of this car, get some videos, and then we'll continue the rest of the vlog. But yeah, guys, there you guys have it, the new Performante. Hopefully one day we can get this car, guys, because there's just something about the Lambo SUVs. I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's just a upgraded Audi, blah, 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 but at the end of the day, it ain't a Lambo, you know? I know it goes in competition with like the XXM, I think like the G63, the Aston Martin SUV, and the Audi RS Q8. That's literally what people say. Like, it literally has Audi parts on this car, but I don't know, man. It's just the design of this car is just unbelievable. I'll give you guys a quick few revs. So if we put it in Corsa. Now it just became even louder. Holy shit. Dude, this thing is crazy. Sounds insane. This thing sounds insane. Oh my god, this thing pulls. This thing just jumps. Alrighty guys, it is currently the next day, and right now we are about to hop in the M4 GTS and go get an oil change because the GTS needs an oil change. And we need gas too. Running out of gas. Way too loud. So freaking loud. Anyways, I usually like to get my oil changes every 3,000 to 4,000 miles max. I would say I wouldn't go any more past that because it is a high performance car. And you know, when we do drive these kind of cars, we do drive them hard, and it's kind of almost like my daily almost. So I usually say like every max like 5,000 miles, you should get your oil changed on your M car. But yeah, I just usually go with the OEM oil. I don't go with like anything crazy. Like I said, the car performance wise is stock. It just has the downpipes, which is why I do have that check engine light on the car. I used to run the tune and the intakes, the J pipe and all that stuff, but the tune, the boot mod tune wasn't working properly with the water injection. So I'd have to go custom tune for that. And at that point, I just wasn't trying to tamper with the car performance wise. I'd rather just do mostly cosmetics and stuff like that. So the only thing I left on was the downpipes because I did like the sound with the downpipes, and obviously, you know, the car was louder, breathes better. So right now we're gonna go get the oil change, and then we gotta get some gas. We are here at Mini Corsa. I don't know if you guys can see the sign, but I go to Danny, freaking legend. He's had a bunch of E9X, FAX. Now he has a GT3, big baller. But yeah, so been going to Danny at Mini Corsa for a while now. Super cool dude. Big track guy, track enthusiast. So as you can see, they got an E46 M3 up there. They do a bunch of crazy stuff. As you can see, he's a super big track guy, and he's always telling me, how come I don't track my car? How come I don't track my car? I will one day though, soon. That's a clean GT3 right there. This shit is clean. It's like a yellow color too. Got the cage. For sure this dude tracks it. Look at this seat. It's the Mini Cooper bumper. It's pretty crazy. These two cars right here, they go at it with each other. I think the newer gen GT3, I think the GTS was faster than the stock like GT3. I think by like a couple seconds, I think it was. On the Nürburgring, they did a comparison of this car and the newer gen of this. The year like after this was faster, I think by a couple seconds. I don't know why, but every time my car goes on these kind of lifts, I get the biggest anxiety ever. I don't know why. I always feel like the car's just gonna go boop and fall back. It's crazy. This is what it looks like under the GTS, guys. If you guys don't know what it looks under like the GTS, that's what it looks like. It's just crazy. Look under that lid. Sheesh. Yeah, it comes with that little cover under there. It's pretty crazy. Probably all full of rocks and shit. Yeah, check that out. Crazy, yo. Damn, check out these seats though. Damn. Should we put these in it? Can we put these in the M4? Yeah. These are sick. Look at that with all the carbon back there. Damn, that is dope. What would you guys say? GT3 or GTS? And if you guys want to come get your oil change, come through to Mini Corsa, ask for Danny. Super cool dude. He's located here in North Hollywood. Nice. It's thirsty. Okay, guys, so the oil was added in, coolant, everything looks good to go. And the car is ready for the weekend. All right, guys, so oil change is now done. And in about 3 months, I would say, the car's gonna need a brake flush. So we'll do that on the next oil change or so. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.